Hello friends, I wanted to share with y'all what I got for my birthday this year. One of my sweet friends got me this Idoo Hydroponics system and I am beyond excited to try this out. So we are gonna make this video of setup and I'm gonna take you through growing a few things in it. So let's get started. All right, now we wanna fill the reservoir with water and I've done that. And there's a little fill marker here and you fill it all the way up to the 4 milliliters. The machine comes with plant food, both A and B plant food. You fill these with water and then dilute it and dissolve the little tablets in water. And then this is what you measure out to put in the water. Now, there is a little hole in the cover to put these in or to put water in, but since I already have the top off, I'm just putting them straight in. So we're gonna put 5 milliliters of each of these for every liter. So that would be 20 milliliters of A and 20 milliliters of B. And there's a handy little measuring cup right here that goes up to 15. And as water evaporates from here, you keep an eye on the level, and every time you put water back in, you also need to put the appropriate amount of solution back in. Okay, and that should be all for the water. The next thing we need to do is to plant the seeds. If you look, it comes with some little seed pods like this. This system doesn't actually come with seeds already in them. So I dug into my seed stash and I pulled out some herbs to fill this with. It says you can plant tomatoes and peppers also, but there's a separate mode for tomatoes and peppers. So you wouldn't want to mix and match herbs and tomatoes and peppers. You would want to do either tomatoes and peppers or herbs. So we're going to be planting some herbs in here. Let's go ahead, and if you'll notice, there's a hole and you're supposed to just drop a couple of seeds right into that hole. So I'm going to put the seeds in, and then we'll stick them right into the pods. And then it also came with these little markers, and I've already marked mine up for all the seeds that I have. So let's get planting. All right, so now we have all these planted. I have thyme, echinacea, yarrow, calendula, coriander, rosemary, parsley, lemon balm, lavender, sage, German chamomile, and edible chrysanthemum. Now, I will admit, some of these I'm skeptical that will grow. Some of them are bigger plants. We'll see. This is a grand experiment, so we're gonna see how much I can trim them and make it work in this little compact space, but we'll see, and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. The next thing I wanna do is to put these little stickers over them. And these just kind of direct the plant upward to where they're supposed to come up. Those stickers have a little hole right in the middle for the baby plant to come up. Now, when the plants start to sprout, you only want one plant per pod. So we're gonna have to do some thinning, especially because some of these little herb seeds are so tiny. Who knows how many of the little seeds I got in the pods, but we can do that. So my friends took me out for my birthday because I turned 40 last week, and one of my friends gave me this because she loves hers and just, it's her favorite thing ever. And my other friend that was with us has one, and she's had horrible luck and hates it. So it'll be interesting to see how it pans out for me. Hopefully we've got good luck, but you know, there's always try again and try again if you don't succeed at first. All right, now I have all the little stickers on those plants. The next thing we're supposed to do is to put these little cups over top, and they're like a humidity dome to help in sprouting. And they fit just perfectly right over these pods. And I'm assuming, like any humidity dome, we'll take it off as soon as these guys sprout. And what's even better about these, unlike your normal humidity domes that you put on big trays of plants, is that each one of them you can leave on until it personally sprouts. Whereas the humidity domes that you leave on plants, you have to take off when some of them might not be sprouted yet. Now the next thing we want to do is to lower our light to right above where the seeds are. The light is not super important until they sprout, but we're going to go ahead and get it where it needs to be. It should really stay 1 to 2 inches above your seedlings. And I'm assuming with herbs that I will be able to keep them cut to underneath the light pretty well. We're going to turn this on, and flowers and fruits will be for the herbs. Now, if you want to turn it off for 10 hours, you just tap that little button and it turns off for 10 hours. As it is, it's going to do a 16-hour cycle of daylight and an 8-hour cycle of night. And it's circulating the water through, and the fan is blowing, and the fan blows every once in a while because once these plants grow up, the fan is going to help pollinate them. So this will be interesting to see. According to the manufacturer, these plants can really sprout up like 4 or 5 times as fast as normal in a hydroponic system like this. We will see. Right. This has been a week and we already have great progress. If you can see, I've got little plants in almost every one. This is thyme, no echinacea, but look at the yarrow. I've got some yarrow. Rosemary. I don't see the parsley in there, but chrysanthemum is doing great. I've got chamomile, sage, and I don't know if you can see this beautiful big calendula after just a week. So this is doing really excellently, and I'm very, very pleased. Some lemon balm back there. And here we go. Here is the couple month update on this thing. It is amazing. I have loved it so much. If you've seen some of our other videos, I've actually come over here and picked some parsley and things from it so that I could make things in the kitchen. But I highly 100% recommend this Idoo grow system. It has been spectacular, and everything we've planted in it has done really well. Some things have done so well that I've had to pull them out because they overtake the whole thing. But it has really, really been an amazing little grow setup. This is a cool hydroponic system, and yeah, A+, 5 stars. Great gift for that gardener in your life or that chef in your life. Just wonderful all the way around.